Hi, I'm Tom Smith. In the last couple days and today, I'm dealing with a overall question that I've been asked to address, and that is, how does God's will intersect with our decision making? And the first day I said, look to the past. Yesterday I talked about learning loving. Today I want to just simply say that whatever gifts we all have, and we do all have gifts, all those gifts are meant to be shared with others. We are social beings by nature, and I believe that by our nature, since we are social beings, that God also wants us to share our gifts and to be in community with other people. That's what we're about as human beings. So identify your gifts. What are they? There may be a sense of false humility that people sometimes have, which try to deny the gifts that they have, or at least to downplay them. Our self-esteem comes into play here. But do an honest assessment of your gifts. Some people's gifts might be in the area of intelligence. Some people might be able to organize things. Some people plan things. Some people have compassion for others. So whatever your gifts are, identify them. Know yourself well enough to know certainly what your limitations are. And Lent is a good time to do this kind of examination, but know your gifts. And then don't let your gifts be directed primarily as benefiting you or me. So the idea is that our gifts are meant for others, and become comfortable with sharing your gifts with others. Um, not for your own wealth, not for power, not for status, but do this examination. And as I say, Lent's a good time to do that. Do it with that in mind, that you both identify your gifts and know your limitations, know your vices as well, but figure out a way in which you can activate your gifts for the sake of others. Then, if you combine that with what I said in the two previous messages of looking at your past and learning loving, and then knowing your gifts and sharing it, that's the best path, I believe, towards knowing God's will for you and for me. Thank you.